Of Jordan Peele for the movie Us, we have a crawdaddy. Now, if you check out that Bradley fighting vehicle, that's not made of steel. It's actually made of plywood that we pressed to look like steel because we can't miss the Judas music video, as well as the Three Amigos and Nacho Libre with Jack Black. Now, what comes when you have thunder? Rain. Thank you, Tech Booth. You jumped ahead of me, but that's all right. Now, our filmmakers created this really cool invention to make sure that the rain falls naturally and authentically for our films. It's called a sprinkler. Who knew? But with this sprinkler, we're able to control the power of our rainstorm. So it can either be a super powerful rainstorm like we're kind of cooking up now, or it could be a soft one where the lovers will meet underneath the umbrella and say goodbye to one another. Don't leave me, John. I swear it'll be good next time. Oh, I promise. Or you can have, you know, a good old-fashioned dance battle in the... Do y'all hear that rumbling? I don't... Oh, no. Tech Booth, you did it again. You created another flash flood. Hold on, everyone. Now, you might be wondering, did y'all just waste all of that water on little old us in the middle of a drought? It's just California. We're kind of used to this shake, so just hold on. Okay, maybe hold on a little bit more. Oh no, the roof came down. Cars 2, cars 3, heads up. Is that? Oh, that's fire. Oh, that's not good. should be good. I could go for some water. Oh, not that water. Heads up, left side. Congratulations, everyone. You just survived your earthquake. A beautiful sunset. Now, I welcome you all to Amity. They had a tad bit of a shark problem. As you can kind of see, they caught the shark over there. That's a dolphin fin, everyone. Hey, that's our intern, George. Maybe call him out the water. George, want to get out? George? Well, George had guests, everyone. And there they are floating. Okay, you know what? We're going to hide behind the gas. Fire, I heard, scares sharks, so we're all safe and sound. We're good. There we go. I think the shark is gone now, so we're all good. I feel safer already.
Here he comes.
That was good. I needed that laugh. Thank y'all for screaming at it. His car, next to that double decker, smaller gray one. We got Dom's Charger, a few of his other Toretto cars, Paul Walker's silver and blue car. You might see a Autobot chilling in the back. That was Bumblebee. Yes, both cabins, both vacancies. This, of course, was put user by Sir Alfred Hitchcock. And the cool thing about this set is that if you have a Universal Warrant Act, which will be coming starting September, you can actually walk this set as part of the maze. Now you might recognize it because this is where Mary and Crane turn off the road and take a break for a minute to go visit Mother. Here's a fun little fact. What did they use for blood? I go into the shower scene. 1, 2, 3. Hershey's chocolate syrup. Such a party, isn't it? Now this set design was created by Mr. Steven Spielberg and a fabulous team. We really wanted to freak some people out.
Of a set that is all designed around engaging the student.
We sit down to talk about Florida. I thought, what if the transport right in the big
Boy weighs over 300,000 pounds and was transported here overnight on multiple flatbed trucks. Now you might notice that there's no roof.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And the what else?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Yeah.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long that took to iron this shirt? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Right, let's back up a little bit. Got it. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss. Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there in a really pissed off shop. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family protects you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't show off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I need to know this back.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sure, trace this. Ops can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
about to get real interesting.
The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Grab your truck. I need you and Becky.
Alright, if you haven't already, this is the time to put on those 3D glasses one more time. And again, to my witnesses, I see you, but stay down, stay cool.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Hook him up. Now we're moving.
You can be the witness to it or we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Fire the doors!
Way to go, Letty.
Don't let another missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Mama, don't shoot. Head on the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
Got Leslie out. Have all of the Showtime